Running this mid 80s Honda 7.5 horse short shaft 4-stroke. I replaced the spark plugs, got them prior to install. New engine oil, new gear oil. Went through the carb. New water pump. Yeah, I think that's it. There's a few other little things. I got these all nice and loosened up. These are super tight, but now you could do it with one finger now. This is the first engine in the new test tank. But ran the engine, tuned the carb, adjust the idle, make sure everything's working like it should, and it is. So that's where we're at. Forward. There's neutral. There's reverse. Neutral. The oil pressure light's working like it should. Everything's working like it should. It's running good. It's pumping water good. Yeah, everything's working perfectly fine like it should. So this one's good to go.